Hey, this is my new computer from build about a year ago. Um, I'm running Core i7-960, running dual GTX 480s. I had NVIDIA Surround set up, realized that my desk, the way it's built, isn't big enough to support 3 monitors, so now I have to wait until a monitor stand comes in to get NVIDIA Surround built up. I also have an APC battery backup, and as you can see, running idle, I'm running about 300 watts on a 1,000 watt power supply. I got dual 1 terabyte hard drives in it, running in RAID 0, running Windows Vista and 7, dual boot. The reason I had to get Vista was because BioShock does not support Windows 7. Tried everything to hack around it, couldn't do it. So there you go, I'm running Vista and 7. Got the LED on the front. Open this up, you can see the inside. Just give me a second here. And eventually, what I want to do is to get a water-cooled system and overclock it tremendously. As you can see, the power supply floats. Can't take it too much out because then the cord right there will pop out. But as you can see, I'm running dual graphics cards in SLI. Got a pretty impressive amount of benchmarking. I think I benchmarked at around an extreme clock running at 3.6, about 27,000 on PC Vantage. So we'll see. Future Mark PC Vantage. Don't really know when I'll get the water-cooled system yet, but I'm hoping it'll be soon. Each video card is EVGA super clocked edition. Each GPU is running 1.5 gigabytes of video memory. Yeah, look at the back panel over here. Can't really see too well. But yeah, it looks pretty nice machine. Play lots of games on it. It's pretty sweet. So tell me what you think.